Well, good afternoon, John Kielec here, and I'm not going to say good morning because I already did say good morning, but this is what happened. I've started to trade early this morning and started to record. Then around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, I left the recording, of stop and go, but then around 9 o'clock, I left for like 4 hours and I left the recording running. And what happened, the conference room reached its limit, the bandwidth, and it just closed itself. So the recording from this morning was lost. And I just came back. It's 10 to 3, and basically, I'm pretty well done for today's, but I'm just going to update you what happened yesterday. Well, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday was pretty wild market, very volatile market. I can pronounce that word today. And the markets were just crazy. Bitcoin dropped to the lowest in a long time, $4,300. All cryptocurrencies were down yesterday, as I shown in yesterday's video. But anyways, continuation from previous day, which was yesterday, Tuesday, and today is recorded live real trading for Wednesday, November 21st, and we had left open trades. There's 3 of them. Yesterday we had wins, 2 wins, which we got stopped out from stop profits. So we had $38.71 in profits. Then we had 1 loss, which actually was bigger than our wins. 1 loss was $43.50. So it wasn't a very successful day yesterday whatsoever. But that doesn't surprise me because, as you have seen, this crypto trend rider in the last 3 days was all red. Critical trading conditions. It said do not trade, but I'm a tough guy. I trade anyways. Today we have markets very stable, good trading conditions. So what happened this morning? Okay, well, basically, I did my market search, the 6 markets that I trail, and that was profit from the other day. That's not today. What I did is just, London daybreak and this, and basically what happened, okay, these markets that the 3 trades from left overnight hit our stop profit loss. We didn't lose on it, but okay, let's maybe calculate this while I'm doing this. Where's our calculator? Okay, so we're going to take this $2.96 plus, okay, so that was 1 trade that we went for prices down. All of a sudden the prices start going up and we got stopped out. Another trade, Euro GB. Okay, this is another trade that we were trading. This was overnight left. Was for prices down. It hit our stop profit loss. So we gained $15.83. So we can add this. We already had that $15.83. Okay, then this morning, when we got stopped out with a profit, I seen this was pre-market down. I predicted that the market's going to go up, and it did go up, but it started going down. When we entered, we got stopped out again because the prices were dropping, but we gained a profit of $79.95. So we're going to add this to 79.95. That equals 97, almost $100. What else did we do? Okay, U.S. and Swiss franc. Okay, this was the 3rd trade that we left open. And we're overnight, we got stopped out again. Plus, was it 94 cents profit? Wow, what a trade. These things happen. There are some good trading days, good trading weeks, and some weeks, as you watch me live doing these things, you see that. See, last week, we broke, almost $3,000. We had a couple $1,000 days. Early last week to this day, this week, it's middle of the week, and pretty volatile markets, critical trading conditions. we're barely coming ahead, but that's the way it is. Euro USD, we just see that. And this is New Zealand dollar against US, okay? This is currently open trade. This was a trade that we left yesterday as well. We got in somewhere over here for prices we got stopped out over here because we went for prices down. Then, prices turned around. But anyways, our stop profit loss was hit. So we profited $30.55. Like I said, I don't like losing. Plus, what was that? $30.55 equals $130.23. Looks like that's the profit we got for today. And we have this open trade where we got minus $3.98. Mind you, the other trades they were smaller trades a lot because volatile markets. Okay, they were only like $10,000 lots. Not $100,000 lots, $100,000 lots, well, $10,000 lots trade. You earn $1 per pip. And these and $100,000 lot, well, you got to have, to trade $100,000 loan, you need like a $10,000 account. Basically. And here, then you're gonna earn when you go 100,000, you're gonna earn $10 per pip. So that's why 1 pip equals $10. So if we have 10, 20, 30 pips, that's like 10, 20, 30 pips. That's like a couple hundred, $300. You can see this lot is 100,000. So anyway, so this is what's happening. We're gonna leave this trade overnight again because another thing on here, we got stopped out over here with a profit. See this blue line? That's my drawing. Okay, that was there this morning before you didn't even see this. But then I said, okay, I looked over here. The market went up, then it went down. Then I started going like this, and I predicted the market's gonna go something like this. And so far, it's, almost working like that because, and here it did went up. This is when we got into this new trade and went up, then it came down a bit, and then it went up again, and it came down, and you can see over here, it's almost 3 o'clock. The markets are very, very stable. But one thing, the markets, this one was here. Where's that line? Over here. Yeah. So the markets overall is uptrend. So I predict that we're going to get over here. And no, not this one. Let's measure this. From. So if we got into that, that'd be. That's. I'm predicting to get in profit. That was a profit from the other day. This would be the profit. So let's what would be in here, and we bought it in here. If we reach that profit, it'd be around $308. That's this is, you can see right there. We're right here. $312. You can see that. Don't look at the minuses, pluses. That's totally something different. But anyways, this is measurement. So see what happens. Right now the market's going against us, but that doesn't worry me because there's a stop loss, and see what happens. But anyways. This is basically it for today's trading. This one's going to be left overnight. Stop loss in here. I want to tell you something about binary cent. Binary cent. We did have like a $2 loss in there or something like that, but we got less than $100. I used this account since February of this year, 2018, and I'm going to be leaving. I'm still waiting for my $1,000 withdrawal. I contacted this morning. They said, well, it's in the process. Like I said, they take a long time. I'm not very happy with this broker whatsoever. The reviews are becoming very negative about them, so it's time to leave them. and but basically they won't even let me trade anymore because they want me to redeposit that, cancel the withdrawal. No, but all I can do is trade the binary, and the binary the way it is. Okay, I showed you. Let's take one trade. Okay, $16. Okay, now let's do a $10 trade. Okay, this is okay, it's going down. This is New Zealand dollar and USD. What is USD? Okay, we have New Zealand USD dollar in here, and looks like the market went up. Well, it's steady. So, okay, let's see. It's steady. It's either prices go up or down. You can earn fast money, you can lose fast money. But we're going to do one trade and see if we can catch it. 79%. Okay, let's go for call. Oops, I kind of missed that. Okay, 75, 80%. Now the market's going to be driving. So anyways, if I win, I place the $10 for call, for long, for prices to go up. If we win this trade, we're going to make $8. So total we get back $18. And this is how it works. This is only lasts 1 minute. See the expiry time. Don't worry about this 20. This is European time, so it's 1:15, and you're going to see this 1:15 when it hits over here. Then we're going to hit. We got less than 4 seconds. We're above that price. Okay, we just won. See, $18. That's how binary works. Now we're over $100. So I am. Basically, that's what I use this market for. And there's some traders that claim they make, $20,000, $30,000 in a month. Basically, if I would have lost this trade, I would double that amount. But doubling that amount, 10, then 20, then 40, then 80, 160, 320, 640. Then, 7th of 8 trade, you'll be going into thousands. And some of these traders, what they show you on YouTube, that's they have $20,000 accounts in here, and they go, sometimes hit, 5, 6, 7 times doubling. But I would never take $20,000, put it in something like this, and say 4 or 5 trades in a row, I'd be hitting into the thousands. What happens if 7th or 8th trade doesn't come out? And all of a sudden your account is wiped out in zero. So, those are trades you can make a lot of money. I mean, a lot of money. You can make good money fast, but you can lose fast as well. So it works both ways. But I'm going to tell you not a secret, because I learned from somebody else how to use that. There were some days that I made, a couple $100 in here in an hour. The biggest day I think was like $700 in 3 hours while I was working with DNP on my second computer. I was just waiting for certain signals and just did. What I did is basically the market came way down here. It went up once, twice, then at the third time, if it didn't go down, okay, I went for a long for prices up. But sometimes even the market went way, way down, then, it went against you. Then you have to double, then you double again. There was one day when I traded for $1. Okay, I'm going to show you this with the dollar. Okay, this is real count. Let's say 77%. Okay, 77% was hit. Usually when I would normally wait for the market to go down, but 77%. Anything is over 75%, then I go for the prices up in this particular market because it's trending upwards. Okay, so once again, okay, we are winning. There's 20. I just look a lot. 415. So we have 352. We have some minutes, but anyways, okay. So basically, in this situation, okay, 60%. Okay, so you can see if you see this more of put, then they're going to drive the prices down. If you see more of the green, 79, 74, that's a good signal. It should go up. But anyways, this is what you look. So we just won at 80 cents, $1.80. Okay, so we won. Okay, basically this is how it works, right? Okay, for $1, you earn $1.80 back, 80 cents. Okay, and these are different percentages. So this is binary options. Okay, 77. Okay, let's go another one for $1. Okay, but like I say, I am trading this as $1, so it's very low amount. But usually, you know, I trade $5, $10 in here, and I wait till this market goes way down here. Sometimes it shoots down. When it's way down here, then I go. Like it goes once, twice, and the third time I place for go up. When the market is trending, this particular market I'm trading, if it's trending downwards, then I wait for the peaks, to be going way up. Okay, we're losing this trade 515. Where we got in here 512. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. And we lost. It just broke out. See how quickly? So now, see, I lost that. I would double that. Okay, double that to $2, and now I wait 69. Most traders, as soon as they lose, they place another call. 78%. Let's go. Okay, so you see that was a 78%. I wait a little bit till we get some of the market movements show us movement higher, and go that way. So once again, see, now we have 6:15. Okay, 6:15. So we have about 30 seconds or less, and the market is going up. So I lost $1. Now I doubled. Okay, so when I doubled, and if we win this trade, I will be, you know, I will not lose. So each time you lose, you double it. But how many times can you double if you lose so many times in a row? Okay, and that's the big thing. Okay, 6:15. Okay, we have less than 5 seconds. Okay, looks like we're gonna win this trade too. There we go. We got another win. See? Okay, so we're a little bit ahead, and that's how binary option trading is done. It's very simple. Like I say, if there's some stable markets, you can make good money. But like I say, I wait till the market gets over here and I trade $5, $10. You know, sometimes when I had 1,000, the biggest account in here, I had 1,500 something. I traded with $20, sometimes even 50. Okay, but like I say, you know, if you lose 50. You know, then you double that to 100, 100 to 200, then all of a sudden you got 403 trades. So that's, you play the market in here small and you can come ahead. But still, the discipline is very. Okay, like I said, we're going to be leaving this one. And we're going to be, because I'm not satisfied with binary cent broker. I'm just going to take a sip of my ginger ale. Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Okay, but we're going to be going to this account, Pocket Option. Now, Pocket Option is a different broker, and I like their charts a lot better. Pocket Option is very reliable. I don't know if you've heard about Zuko or not. We were in Zuko a long time ago, and I follow some of their trades, and they got robots and all this and that. But they praised Pocket Option. They are good. Brokers, all reviews are good. So this is not a real account. This is a demo account with 1,000. But I'm going to give you once again what I showed you in binary cent. We're going to be doing exactly same thing in here, and they have different time intervals and whatever. But basically, the system, the method that I use. Okay, let's go. For indicators, no, I don't want indicators. I want no indicators. I want line. Okay. Okay, this is different line. What happened in here? Okay, yeah, no, it's good. Okay. Okay, so anyways, what I'm looking in here, I lose Bollinger Band, which I already got set up, the top and the bottom and the center, and also RSI. Basically, when this hits over here, okay, pretty close to that green line, it tells that prices are going to go up. But also, to make it 100% almost, this RSI's got to hit that line. Okay, it came pretty close, but it was a winning trade. Okay, you wait for trades like this, and it's almost 99% win situation. Let's move it backwards a bit. Let's see if there's the market's been pretty steady. This is 1 minute chart, so this is like a long chart. Okay, and you can see the markets were been pretty steady today, recuperating after volatile markets. Okay, oops, where are you going? Okay, there was another one in here. See, it hit that, but it didn't really hit that top. This is oversold condition. But when you follow in here, and all of a sudden you got this in here, okay, and all of a sudden it came up here, so it broke above, and then if you would have put it in here, look at that, it went up. So I look for situations like this. Okay, this is account that it's a demo, and I'm just gonna show you the demo. Okay, so let's go to demo and use one of these strategies. Okay, because some members did ask me, John, show me the options, how the binary. Okay, there we go. We're gonna bet $100. Look at this, boom. There it is. Okay, it hit. That was pretty close. It didn't touch. And look and see, the market went up. This was a special thing. What I'm talking about. Like I say, there was another one in here, but this one was the best one because it came here. It hit that green, and the same thing. We have 1 minute. Okay, so basically in 60 seconds, either the price is going to go up or down. So, and I like this chart because it shows you the profit or loss, and eventually you're going to see it over here as well too. Okay, it's got 6 seconds, and all right, now we have the other 30 seconds, and this is the final 30 seconds of the price. So right now we're $100 betting. It earns you $61. Okay, so that's $100. So if we win this, we'll get back 61 plus our $100 back. Okay, so it looks like this trade is going the way we want. In this case, if I would lose, I would double that amount. But like I say, if you double that, 4 times, and we're out of the money. Okay, so you can see we just won $161. So we got 1,000 and this one. Okay, ooh, I like this one. Okay, let's go. Ooh, let me see, I missed it. Sometimes you got to be very quick because I would have pressed the button over here. When it goes way above here, that's where you want to get in. But sometimes, to catch that, you got to be very quick, unless you get something like this that goes. But anyway, see, we were going for prices down. So it looks like it's going our way. We got last 30 seconds at 28. Now it's going back up, and it's way on the bottom, 21 seconds. And you can see most of the time it's been trading below the center Bollinger band line. But anyways, 13 seconds, and you can see, okay, whoa, look at that. It all of a sudden just went. We're still in profit. Is it going to give us a profit? Okay. Yeah, we got our profit barely, but it was pretty close. Okay, so you can see $122 in what? In 2 minutes, right? Let's take another one more. No losing trade yet. But like I say, $100 I would trade over $1,000 because it can be wiped out very fast. Okay, it went up, the center of the Bollinger band. Oh, let's go down. Okay, did I place the trade? All right, let's go in here. Okay, let's see. When it breaks up there, it's still risky, but I usually go that way. Now the prices went up above. So in case we would lose this, now we're in profit again. Sometimes it's hard to lose. But, when you have a winning streak, if the trades are going your way, the way your method is working, it's good. But as long as there's something happen, it starts going against you, the best thing, leave. Give up for the day, okay? And that's the discipline about trading. You got to have some kind of discipline. You got to trade, and but trading options, binary options, is like a high risk but it's a high payout, high loss thing. Okay, you can make fast profits, but you can also lose fast, and that's the way it is in this business. Okay, but like I say, I trade very little, but I only do $5, $10, sometimes even $20 trades, and I can make $100 sometimes in one day. But like I say, this is not my special. Wow, look at this where it dropped. So obviously we're more likely going to win this trade. We're far from it. And but I prefer trading the normal way, the way we are doing, and set it, forget it, place your stop losses, do the trail stop losses and everything. Okay, they want me to deposit money in that. We'll continue in this demo account. I'm going to play around with this a bit more, but that's how it's done. Look at that. We did not have a losing trade yet. And like I say, because I do a specific way. Sometimes, the market will go along here, okay, this one, because it stays 50% above the center Bollinger Band. Okay, so, and like I say, it's going down again. Now it went up. But sometimes you look in the past, and if you just trade when they hit over there for prices to go down, as long as you know that this chart is showing in a real chart, like a Wenda chart, okay, the price, we can see it's steady, and then we're still like minus $33 in here. It's very slow, but that's 1 hour chart. Okay, what we have in here in our demo account, that's 1 minute chart. So this thing goes up and down like crazy. Anyways, let's want to do one more. Okay, now see, this is over here, but it didn't cross. When it gets touches or crosses, that's when I would go for prices down. But it's hovering up there, though. See if we can do one more trade. Okay. But anyways, I'm not going to wait for it. What I'm going to do, okay, it's 3:16. I don't want to make this super long recording. Okay, what did I say? For today, Wednesday, November 23rd, we got $130.23 in profit. It's a slow day, but hey, $130 is $130. You do the $130 a day for 30 days. Well, actually, you cannot do it for 30 days because there's no trading Saturdays and Sunday. So 4 weeks, but you do it that, for like 25 days. So you got, over $2,700. There's a lot of traders are using this, are making $100 to $200 per day, trades, and they come up, $3,000 to $5,000 a month earning, and that's just slow. I look for $5,000 to $10,000 to $15,000 per month income, but that's not always like that. But anyways, I am a day trader. When I see opportunity for a long term, I leave the market, like say for tomorrow, we're going to leave this trade. And if we're going to leave this trade and the stop loss is over here, see, I come back early tomorrow morning, do my London day break, see how the markets are doing, up or down. And this may be way up here. Okay, when it's way up here, I'll do the stop loss higher, and I might place the trading stop loss or the trading profit stop loss, and we'll just, if the market continues up, we'll just follow the price behind it. If it hits our stop loss, we're out of it. And these long-term trades do happen, but they don't happen like very often, where the prices just continue to go up and you just go along and take it. But very sure you're going to see, we had a couple last week, but that was, it's like over $1,000 one day, but it was same. It was a good trading day, but lately the markets are up and down. There is no real type of steady market that it's going steadily up. Okay, so once again, for Wednesday, November 21st, we have a total profit of $130.23. And until tomorrow, if you like my videos, live trading, you can always put like, make a positive comment, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.